Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you how to import a file in Roblox Studio. Now guys, I prefer using this base plate, okay? This one as our template. Now we shall open up this in our Roblox Studio. Alright, so once it's done opening up, this is how it looks like. Now to import a file into this, what you're going to do is quite simple guys. You'll have to come to the files themselves. Now let me come to this download folder. So I'll come to documents, or maybe I'll come to any other downloads. And then if you want to import a file, you need to choose a file that is compatible with Roblox Studio. Now, some of the files which are compatible with Roblox Studio, if I come to my Chrome over here, then go ahead and search some of the file types compatible with Roblox Studio. Now quickly run the search. You can see guys, only these ones. The RBXL, this one's for the places. Actually, this is a place file. The OBG, then the .dltf, and even the PNG. Now, if you don't have any of those files, you can't obviously import anything in the Roblox Studio. Now, let's come over here and search in my downloads if I have anything like a PNG. Let me see. Alright, so I have some images of PNG, guys. I have some images of PNG. Now, quickly, I'll come through these images and obviously try to choose one. Alright, so let me choose this one here. Now, to import it, just hold it and drop it. Okay. And basically, that's how to import file in Roblox Studio. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. We shall meet.